welcome to the coast. My name is Magdala, and for our very first episode, I am going to be answering some questions that you guys submit via Facebook and Instagram. So this channel is actually primarily going to be focusing on hair care, skin care, and makeup tutorials. From time to time, you'll see my son. Yes, I have a son. He's 5. His name is Connor. I want to give you guys a background on who I am. My name is Magdalene, like I said, and I'm Haitian. I am 29 years old, 29 infant, and yeah. First question is, what do you use to moisturize your hair? Okay, so honestly and truly, I use whatever I see once I get into the store, honestly. But the main thing I usually get for my hair is the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner and a mixture of As I Am products. I use the Moisture Milk. I use the Double Cream Butter, I think it's called. I'll have another video with a tutorial as to how I condition my hair, how I do treatment, and what I do throughout the week to actually maintain my hair and my curls. Don't pay attention to this because right now my hair is extra dry. Anyways, next question is, how do you get your eyebrows actually says eyebrows, how do you get them so flat? And then someone else asks, how do you blend your unibrow? Okay, I have a unibrow. I love my unibrow, and I think that's what makes my eyebrows so unique. But I also have a video on that. You can click on the link below, and you'll see how I actually get my unibrow, but you'll see how I get my eyebrows the way that I get them. Next question is, how do you get your hair so soft and moist? That also will be, like I said, in a tutorial about my the way I condition and the way I treat my hair. How long does it take to maintain your hair in the morning? It actually depends on what I have in my hair, because sometimes I'll wear a wig, or I have braids, or I have different styles, and so it depends on how my hair is for the day. Normally it takes about 10 to 15 minutes if it's just my natural hair. If it's in braids or if there's a wig, it's not much time. All I have to do is like slay and lay my baby hair or whatnot, but that's it. What is your skincare routine? That actually depends. That question is not specific enough. I don't have a specific skincare routine for my face, but for my body, once I get out of the shower, I do use Dr. Thrower's acai butter, and this is the truth. This is the truth. I love it. Anyways, that is like my favorite product from the line. But you guys, I'll also leave a link in the description below, so where you can actually purchase it and you can try it yourself. If you don't like it, let me know. But because he also has other moisturizing products that you can use. What mascara do you use? Right now I have on lashes and I didn't add any mascara, but normally I go in between two mascaras. I use the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. It's a hydrofuge. It's waterproof, full fan effect, and I also use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And so these are the two that I actually use, and it's so funny that they're both pink. Actually, pink is not my favorite color, but these two are really cute, and they get the job done. Do you get annoyed, and what annoys you the most? I get annoyed. I'm always smiling, and I think that's probably why this question was asked, but I get annoyed from time to time, but not often. And the thing that annoys me the most, I would say, would have to be when people touch my hair without asking. Yes, you can ask to touch, and I probably won't say no unless I'm in a bad mood, but please always ask before you touch. That's like touching somebody's butt, like random. Like that's a piece of my body, you know what I mean? Like, it's like, just ask, and I'll most likely say yes, because I'm not a mean person. I'm nice, and I understand, because I like to touch people's hair. If you meet me for the first time, I will ask you to touch your hair. If you have a nice set of hair, I will ask to touch your hair. So just ask. The worst I can say is no. And I think that's it. That is it for the questions. If you guys have any other questions and you want to know more about me, you can leave your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to do another Q&A video. This was my first video, so I think it was successful. Tell me what you guys thought, and stay tuned for more videos, more tutorials, more just me, and let me know what you guys thought about the video. Thanks for tuning in. Once again, this is The Coast, and my name is Magdala.